What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to TJ Chapman Auto. Today we have this 2020 Chevrolet Traverse Premier. Now this is one of the highest streams right below the High Country, and this will have a lot of features that the High Country is going to have. The High Country is more luxurious. Will be improved for things like towing and off-roading, while this one's mainly for your daily driving things. And High Country will come with things like a tow hitch and everything, when this one doesn't. But as you can see, it is a beautiful looking SUV. We have the smoked out wide taillights. You still have your red markers in the rear, so it's not illegal. We have some red markings on the wheel as well to accent the red on the taillights. Makes it really soft and subtle, but also really aggressive looking. Let's go ahead and pause our turntable here in a second. And as soon as we get to the front end again, and there we go. Let's take a look at the interior on this beautiful Traverse. As you can see, it is all blacked out, including the badging as well, front and rear. We have some red on black badging here, matching the black on red on the wheels. Have some fresh Continental Sport tires in the rear and in the front as well. Some roof racks here on top. Now, as you can see here on the door panel, taking a look at the main parts of the interior, we have some fresh black on black leather with some yellow stitching. We have a BOSE premium sound system. We have automatic windows in the front, power folding mirrors, and heated as well. That come with lane assist. Here on key fob, we have lock, unlock, remote start, remote trunk open and close. Let's go ahead and start it up. As you can see, starts right up. Let's go ahead and make sure that there's no lights on the dash. Oof. No copyright. Let's go ahead and make sure that there's no lights on the dash, no warnings. And as you can see, checks out 34,164 miles on this Traverse. And taking a look at our cabin here, we have a really nice looking cabin view with our sunroof on top and in the rear as well. So for our main display, you have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your stock navigation, your stock Bluetooth. This also has a built-in Wi-Fi, so you're able to connect your phone or your other devices to it as well. We're going to set up your profile later. As for right now, we're just going to go to the map. As you can see, we can set up your home, your work. Super responsive display. You're able to pinch in and out and zoom in and out fairly quickly, and then you can recenter yourself and find out where you are. We're here at the TJ Chapman Auto location at 215 West 500 North in North Salt Lake, Utah. Feel free to check us out and check out our inventory as well. And here we have cooled and heated seats, heated steering wheel. Here you have your cruise control settings on the left, forward collision prevention. Here you have your audio settings to select what song you are. Actually, my apologies. This is actually for your main display. I forgot on the new Traverses to select your audio settings. It is actually here in the rear. So you're going to use these almost like a paddle shifter style to go ahead and turn your volume up and down. And on this side, you'll find another one to skip forward or backward to whatever song you would want to play once you're connected. In this case, going back to our main display here, you're then able to change every single setting you want, customize your preferences and such. Let's go ahead and take a look at our main climate control here. Once again, vented and heated seats in both passenger and driver front seats. Your standard climate control here in the front, air conditioning, heater, etc. For the bottom, 2 USB type A's to connect your Apple CarPlay and charge another device, Android Auto as well. 12-volt lighter adapter, aux port micro SD for your maps, and a wireless charging pad in the center. 2 cup holders, your key. Let's go ahead and put it away. Your gear shifter. Obviously, you can select whatever gear you would like. Here is for your manual upshift or downshift, your park brake, and your all-wheel drive settings. So this car, I believe it is front-wheel drive factory with the option to be turned into all-wheel drive with the slide of this button. Oops, I didn't slide it all the way. There we go. Now your all-wheel drive in towing mode. If you want just normal all-wheel drive, you will go to the 4. And now you're all-wheel drive, and you're going to hear your differential almost like engage. Here you have, I would assume it's mountain mode or something else. Let's go ahead and switch it back to 2-wheel drive. And there we go. Traction control off, lane assist. Once again, your gear shifter, storage, and put this little plate up. Storage organizer for your storage. You can lift this up and put it down here on the bottom. close this up. Sunroof controls, tilt, slide, or tilt down or slide back. 1, 2, 3 garage door settings. And as you can hear, the engine runs perfectly, super quietly. And even though this is one of our another branded title vehicles, because we do sell mainly branded titles, this vehicle is in absolute perfect condition, super low miles, in and out, just absolutely beautiful, perfect brand new car. Let's go ahead and take a look at our rear seats here on the second row. And you have heated second row seats, AC wall adapter to charge your devices even faster, 1-2 USB type A fast charging, and your own climate control settings over here. Taking a look at our cabin, you'll find an absolute beautiful, modern, super customizable cabin view, and your own personal sunroof here in the rear. Now, if you're carrying other children or passengers, you can go ahead and lift this up, and your seats are going to fold down, and you are then able to slide them back and forth and access your third row seating. Super comfy third row seating, same seat style as the seats in the second row. Obviously just not as spacious, but you are then able to place your second row forward and have more space. Now, as for trunk space, not a whole lot of trunk space. It is an SUV with a third row, so if you would like more of that trunk space, you would have to pull on this little rope. And then as you pull, push it forward, and obviously push your second row forward as well. And you can even have third and second row folded, and you'll have quadruple the space. For the sake of the video, let's go ahead and pull this back, pull our headrest back, and check out storage here. So, designated storage here in the rear teaches you here how to show your spare tire, which is going to be right underneath this. Pulling this down, another 12-volt lighter adapter here on the bottom. Self-closing trunk, flashes your hazards to alert in case you're on the side of the road or something happens to the vehicle. And that's mainly it. There you have it, guys. This is our 2020 Traverse High Country. Oh, I apologize. 2020 Traverse Premier. We're talking about the High Country so much, I got confused. We also sold the High Country. 2020 Chevrolet Traverse Premier, 34,000 miles. Again, branded title, as most of the vehicles we sell here. Available for sale here at TJ Chapman Auto. You can check out the rest of our inventory at tjchapmanauto.com or in person at 215 West, 500 North in North Salt Lake, Utah. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.